You know what that was? Black Friday punching you in the face, Tony, because we've got some of the biggest deals of the season. We're saving the biggest ones for the end to reward your patience and your attention span. So let's get started.
First, KEH is offering not 5% off, but 10% off thousands of used items.
21-day return period, 180-day warranty, and we just put up a video about our favorite gear there, so you can go watch that for inspiration, then use our 10% off coupon code Northrop10A.
And go to our sdp.io links to make sure you get the discount.
Okay, next, this is something that we use all of the time. It's super affordable. It's the Apple Airtags, and we attach them to all of our gear because it tells you when it's not with you. And I even recently saw a news story that this helped someone recover their gear from a thief. And we hate thieves, and we love Airtags, and they're 15% off, so check out that link.
It saved me when I left my camera in a restaurant. I get a little notice, and I ran back in real quick.
He ran for his life. All of our books are 30% off, and we're signing them, so you can get our best-selling photography book, Stunning Digital Photography with over 20 hours of video.
Wow.
Holy moly.
You can get
How are we making money?
our Lightroom Classic and Lightroom books 30% off, and those also include tons of video training.
And our signatures, which never look the same.
The Photoshop book, if you want to learn Photoshop, is now 30% off, and that includes like 10 hours of video in it, and our photography buying guide. If you're tired of watching reviews and you just want to just read and quickly reference things like what is rolling shutter, what is image stabilization, what are the different brands, it's all here in a paperback book.
I know you want this because you keep emailing us and we can't just figure out thousands of people, so we wrote a whole book.
Sony, Canon, Nikon, they all have big Black Friday specials. Here is Sony's first. You can get the A7C for $1,600.
I love that camera.
You can get the Sony A7 III for $1,700. That's brand new. The one I would really like people to get is the $1,900 A7 III with a kit lens. What a great full frame starter, but there are tons of full frame, beautiful cameras there. The A7 II for only $900. It's a full frame camera. It's old, I don't like it, but $900 is a good price.
You know what? There's actually good deals this year, so it's exciting.
The Seagate 16 terabyte external drive USB 3 is $60 off, $245. Buy two of them so you can store stuff and then back stuff up to the other one, so if it crashes, you don't lose everything.
Next, we have the Rotolight AEOS2. This is a really cool LED light. You can change the colors of the lights. You can dim them. You can make it look like police sirens. You can make it look like a flickering neon light. It adds really cool effects to your photos and your video, and now it's on sale for $1,100. It's a really versatile light.
It works as a strobe too, so you can put a trigger in your hot shoe and use it to take still photos.
It's also battery powered, so it's easy to bring around. Next, we have digital picture frames. I did an entire review of different digital picture frames. My favorite one was the Aura, and it was $179 at the time. Now it's $129. It's 28% off. You will want one, but this one's also awesome. I got it for my grandmother. I got it for my mom. You load it up. You can send pictures over an app of the grandkids or your kids or you. It's a really great idea for a gift.
All of our video training is 50% off for just the next couple of days. So you got to hurry and get it right away. Our flash training teaches you how to use a flash on camera, off camera, gels, light modifiers, everything. $20 for that video training. You ask, where are our tutorials? They're here.
They're here, and they're affordable. Next, we have the Art and Science of Photography. This is where we go through together what we do best. Tony gets into the technical stuff. I get into the artsy stuff to make you a more well-rounded photographer. Stop just learning about the numbers and the specs and the technical stuff and broaden your horizon and get better. It's 50% off, $75. Make it happen.
You want to make money with your gear? Get our professional portrait training series, which teaches you how to actually sell prints, as well as take good portraits and use lighting. There's things like sample contracts for you to use.
We had our friend Sam Shannon. She's a professional portrait photographer, a working photographer. She comes in and she tells you how she maximizes her profit. She makes a lot of money doing this. She teaches me how to make more money from clients. She's extremely talented. It's 50% off at $100. We guarantee it. So if you're not making money from this series, we'll refund you.
Absolutely. Panasonic's Black Friday deal, not a lot, but the GH6 has a pretty huge discount, $1,700. This is a mostly video camera, but if I didn't need autofocus, this is the camera I would use all the time. If you are behind the camera manually focusing, absolutely jump on that $1,700 deal. Nikon's Black Friday specials are pretty huge, and my favorite here is the Nikon Z5 with the 24-200 for $1,700. That's one of the super zooms we were just talking about, and we absolutely love that kit. full frame with a super zoom, $1,700. I would absolutely get that right now.
Okay, here are the computers we use, the Mac M1s, and they're 20% off for a Mac. For $800, you get a really powerful, fast, versatile computer.
All the M1s are totally capable of video editing, photo editing, and they're gonna outdo anything that's not an M1 Mac. Like, it was a huge leap.
Apparel is all 40% off from our store. We have masks, we have hats, we have shirts. We don't want to sell apparel anymore because it takes too long to pack, so we're just gonna sell out and never restock. If you want it, get it now because
I want my closet space back.
I want my closet space back. Next, we have the DJI FPV. You probably saw our cool video where we flew it through the little hula hoop obstacle course. It's super fun, and it's $400 off. It's $900.
That's a great price. You know, I crashed that into a tree 50 feet up, and it stuck there for a week until a big rainstorm came and knocked it out. And it stood through the rain and crashed 50 feet to the ground.
Still here.
I replaced a couple of props. It's doing just fine.
Our presets are 60% off. Don't step on my vibe, Tony. We've been making presets. They're creative, they're technical. We have a whole bunch of bundles. This one's only $8. I use these every single day. They're so versatile, they're easy, and you can kind of hone your editing skills, figure out your style, make your own, and I teach you a bit about Lightroom in my series as well.
I have technical presets. If you're not interested in cool creative ones, I have ones that simply expand dynamic range beyond what is normally possible in Lightroom.
Stop pushing the limits of science, Tony. These people have been through enough. Now,
I have the Canon deals coming up, but first, Chelsea's going to tell you about our bundles.
Our bundles are when we make you buy all our stuff and then we give you a bigger discount. So 4 of our books are only $44 if you buy them all together. Even if you already have one, you can give it away as a gift and it's going to be super affordable. Next, we have all of our video series for $143. That's the professional portrait series, that's the flash series, that's the art and science. So you will be a well-rounded photographer at an affordable price. And then lastly, the everything bundle means that you get every single book, every single video series, and all of the presets for $240, and the books are signed.
Yeah, if you get the paperbacks. You don't sign ebooks.
We can't sign ebooks. It's just not possible yet.
Here's the Canon deals. First starting with an old DSLR, but a lot of people want a camera under $500. Here's the Canon T7, an excellent DSLR for $430 with a kit lens. Or you can get the bundle with the telephoto lens for $550. People's first cameras, that's what I would start them with. You can also get Canon mirrorless cameras, the RP, for $1,200 with a lens. That's an excellent price. The brand new R10 that we absolutely loved is already $100 off. I'm actually shocked. $880 for a perfectly capable general purpose or especially wildlife and sports camera. The R10 is an amazing camera. Or if you want full frame, the R6 with a lens is $2,600. That's what you used to pay for it without the lens. So absolutely jump on those deals. And they have deals on Canon RF lenses too, including the 600 and 800 f11 for wildlife people.
Those were already so affordable. Now you get 10% off, so jump on that deal.
Yeah, if you got a Canon mirrorless camera and you want to just try it out, I mean, how can you go wrong for $700 that you could probably resell it for more than that later? So jump on these Black Friday deals, use our SDP.io link, enjoy the holidays, and if you find other deals, write a comment down below because we'd love to find it.
Support small businesses. We need you the most this year, and I don't just mean me and Tony, I mean all of your local businesses where you are, all of the creators and YouTubers and stuff that you love. Support them, support their families. You know that the money is going somewhere back into the community. Happy holidays, and I hope you're all doing well.
Bye.